Nature holds secrets that we are only beginning to rediscover. For centuries, wild fields have been home to vibrant remedies hiding in plain sight. Today, we dive into the world of herbal wellness. We start with a striking and deeply misunderstood flower. You might know it as a common field weed, but its history tells a different story. Today, we unlock the true potential of the beautiful purple cornflower, known as Centaurea cyanus. To truly understand this flower, we must look at its scientific name, Centaurea cyanus. In ancient Greek mythology, the name comes from Chiron, the wise centaur. He was famous for his deep knowledge of medicine and herbs. Legend says Chiron used the blue and purple petals of this very plant to heal a dangerous wound caused by a poisoned arrow. This myth shows how long humans have trusted its natural power. For thousands of years, this resilient plant grew alongside wheat and rye. It became a symbol of survival and endurance, thriving under the hot summer sun. Farmers loved its beauty, while ancient healers gathered its petals at dawn. They believed the morning dew enhanced the plant's natural properties. From royal crowns to humble cottage gardens, this flower has always connected people with the rhythms of the earth. What gives the cornflower its stunning purple and blue shades? The answer lies in powerful natural compounds called anthocyanins. These are the same strong antioxidants found in superfoods like blueberries. In nature, these compounds protect the plant from harsh ultraviolet rays. When used by humans, these exact antioxidants help shield our cells from oxidative stress and help support our body's natural defense systems. The most famous traditional use of cornflower relates to eye care. For generations, people made simple compresses from the flowers to treat tired eyes. Today, we spend hours looking at digital screens, causing constant eye strain. Using pure cornflower floral water as a gentle wash can bring immediate relief. It helps soothe irritation, reduces puffiness under the eyes, and brings a refreshing feeling after a long day of work. Beyond eye care, cornflower is a hidden gem for modern skincare. Its extracts have natural cooling and soothing properties. This makes it perfect for people with highly sensitive or easily irritated skin. If you struggle with redness or dryness, applying a cornflower toner can help calm the skin. It works gently to tighten pores and lock in hydration without using any harsh chemicals or artificial ingredients. The benefits of this plant go far beyond topical use. The vibrant petals are a popular addition to premium tea blends. They are famously used to add color and a delicate flavor to traditional Earl Grey. Drinking a warm cup of cornflower tea introduces mild bitter compounds and flavonoids to your system. These elements work together harmoniously to support healthy digestion and promote a general sense of internal balance. Making cornflower tea part of your evening routine is an excellent way to unwind. It is completely caffeine-free, making it safe to drink right before bed. The mild, earthy flavor helps signal to your body that it is time to relax. As you sip the warm tea, the natural compounds gently calm your nervous system. It is a simple, time-tested ritual to wash away the stress of a busy day and prepare for a restful sleep. Incorporating cornflower into your life is very simple, but quality is key. When buying dried petals for tea, always look for certified organic sources. This ensures the flowers were grown without harmful pesticides. For your skin, choose pure cornflower hydrolat without added alcohol or synthetic perfumes. By choosing clean, organic products, you ensure that your body receives the full, untamed benefits of nature. The world of medicinal plants is vast, and the purple cornflower is just the opening chapter of our journey. Embracing these old remedies helps us rebuild our lost connection to the earth. If you enjoyed this deep dive, please hit the like button and subscribe for more herbal insights. Comment below if you have ever tried cornflower remedies. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy until our next nature adventure.